Hello students, today we will discuss about pneumatic sensors. How they look, I'll draw one diagram, and how the pneumatic sensor works, that I'll explain you. Pneumatic sensors are called to those sensors where air is used. Now, how the air helps to sense something, that we are going to study today. This is how pneumatic sensor looks, and from here what we do, we provide a air pressure, pressurized air, and from here low pressure air we supply, and it's come out like this, come out from the sensor. Now what happens when we doesn't have any object in front of that sensor? It doesn't do anything, means the pressure of the air will be remain the same, and it is constant throughout the working. And if you put any object in front of this, that time what happen? If you put any object like this, that time the pressurized air will go back like this, and the pressure at this point get raised. When the pressure of this at this point get raised, we can say that something is present in front of the sensor. This type of sensors are used to measure or to sense the presence of any object. The range of this sensor is from 3 mm to 12 mm. Means what? 3 mm to 12 mm we can sense if any object is present. And after this we will see proximity switches. Proximity switches are those which sense the presence of any object. If something is present, then a switch will get on, or if nothing is there, then switch will get off. Now how it look like? It look like this. I'll draw one diagram. This is lever, and here is the one rod which helps to on or off the switch. Here is the switch. Now what will happen? If something is present, the lever will get pushed down and the electric contact will get on. And this type of switches are also operated by roller. Instead of this is manual one. Instead of this, you can use roller like this, or any cam like this you can use. So this senses the presence of any object. Now the switch present in the sensor is also it may also having like magnetic switch. Means how it work, I'll show you. When magnetic switch we use, it is like this, and the initial contact is not there in between them. And if you put any magnetic field near to that switch, what will happen? The rods will get stretched, and those will make the contact between them, and connection will get on. So this is called as a magnetic switch, and after this we will see photosensitive sensors. Now photosensitive sensors work with the light emitting diode. Those are like this. One end is having light emitting diode, that is nothing but LED, and one is having photo detector. This is LED and this is photo detector. Now what will happen? LED passes the light like this, and this photo detector detects the light. Now if you put any object in between them, what will happen? The light will not pass to the photo detector, and this makes us to sense the any presence of any object. Now the same thing also can be drawn like this. See, sometimes they use this type also. They put LED here, and at the same place they also use photo detector. Now in this type, what will happen? LED emits a light like this, and photo detector is here. So how it will sense the light? When you put any object over here, the light will get reflect, and that reflected light will detected by the photo detector. This how the photosensitive sensor works. Thank you.